The experiment is a controlled system to increase the heat output of a contained compost pile. The compost process is started and is controlled by the amount of aeration. Aeration is airflow by the fan drawing air through the compost pile. When there is more airflow, the compost pile creates more heat, and the opposite for less airflow. The feedback for the system are temperature probes. This system heats water and stores the heated water in the accumulator tank. The temperature probe in the heat accumulator tank calls for more airflow when the water temperature gets cooler, and less airflow when it is hot. This temperature probe is the low system temperature. It overrides the control system by increasing the airflow to prevent the compost pile getting too cool and shutting down. This temperature probe is the high safety shutoff temperature. It overrides the control system by stopping the airflow to prevent the compost pile getting too hot and becoming dangerous. This temperature probe is the safety reset. It resets the override from the high temperature safety shutoff and allows normal operation. The top and fan are removed to fill with compost. This is the water tank. It is the heat accumulator. Water is circulated by the pump through the heating coils that are around the container and back again. This is the fan that controls the aeration to the compost pile and uses feedback from temperature probes. Heat is introduced to the pile with a small fire. The fan draws the heat into the compost pile and starts the compost process. The fan also increases the compost process heat output by increasing aeration. It draws air through the adjustable air intakes